Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix GCash app game can't open. So if you're having problems that your GCash app game that it's not opening for you and you want to be able to try to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is what I did myself to be able to fix it. Firstly, I just closed the GCash app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on the settings app, we're just going to scroll down in here and then we're going to click where it says general. So click on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page, what we're going to do is to scroll down and then click on storage right here. And in here, we're just going to simply now wait a couple of seconds for the page to completely load in here. So we're just going to wait, and now when it's loaded, as you can see, all the apps should be in here now. Just swipe all the way up in here and then click on the search bar up top, click on search, and now you're going to search for GCash in here and click on GCash. Now you're going to click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here, as you can see. And we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page now to load. It's going to take us a couple of seconds. Now click on reinstall app, as you can see. And sometimes for some reason you have to click on it 2 times, sometimes, just so you know. And now what will happen is that basically your GCash app will now update to its latest version. So just wait for it to completely update here. When it stops loading, you will be able to see offload app once again, and that means that it's now done and you can go back into the app. So this actually fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.